Hold on. You're preparing for your lemon. Look at here.
I need to see this.
You done? No, let's not do that. That's weird. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, are we done?
Are we done dissecting?
Why don't you taste it? Oh no. Thanks. Thank you, Lucas. Is that yours? Is that Lucas's?
He's dissecting a lemon. Oh.
All done? Do you want any more? Want to taste it? Taste it?
Lucas, go yum yum.
That was a good one. Okay, that's good. You want some water? You want some water? You're so cool. Okay, let's clean up.
Cute little eye doll. Look, so cute. Okay, put your hand down so I can see. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay, you're not supposed to have that. Lucas, give me that. Thank you.
Yeah, you don't have stuff.
Thank you.
Stop. Me? I want to do it. I want to do it.
Get him to do sign language.
Lucas, please. Please.
Mom, can you come here real quick and
Say please.